Hello and welcome to the John Trains channel. Today is an unboxing video. This is one of the best trains documentaries on Channel 5. It's funny and is better than Michael Portillo. His programmes are so boring and I don't like the way he dresses. Chris has got a better style, more outdoorsy. Chris Tarrant's Extreme Railway Journeys is an extremely important programme that not only looks at different trains around the world, but looks at Chris in different strange places with foreign people, trying to understand the way they do things abroad. One time he had to wait for a train for 6 hours in the Congo. That must be the latest train ever in the world. As usual, the box does seem bigger than it, I don't know why they have this packaging. It's really bad for the environment. Okay, well let's open the box then. I'm using the kitchen scissors because I can't find my Stanley knife. Try and open it at the sides first. What's this? What? Well, maybe the DVDs are inside. Don't believe this. Oh. I really wanted to watch that tonight. Maybe it's... What's this? Dear John Trains, thank you so much for your kind response to my letter, John. It was nice to meet Bill. Send him my condolences. I'm so grateful to you for sending me your address. I've noticed that the video quality of your uploads could do with a boost. I know that you already have a camera for taking pictures and making videos, but trust me, this one is far better. If you want to continue making YouTube videos, then think of this as the tool of your trade, and it has an excellent skills function as well. You did say you wanted to make a video about Birmingham New Street Station. Now that lockdown restrictions have eased a little, it would make me very happy if you met me there to film together. I hope you continue to make videos, John. You may not ever have been a painter like you wanted, but that doesn't mean that you cannot be a different kind of artist. Your loving friend, Adam Norwich. This is so kind. I've heard of people helping YouTube channelers before, but this is something else. I think that's the autofocus on, and oh yeah, there we go. Maybe it might be a good start if I took the lid off. Oh no, you don't need me to cry. It's just since the channel started, Perfect Strangers have been kind and supported me more than I ever thought they would. I suppose that's why they call it the YouTube community. Cheers, Adam. I don't deserve this at all, but we should make a video or two with this new camera. And yeah, maybe I'll go for a pint or two. Actually, I think I could do a video on the redevelopment of the New Street Station. I think it's called the Gateway Project, and the way that the platforms have been restructured and the ticket offices, because some of the stuff that YouTube creators make, it just doesn't have all of the information there. Actually, now I have this new camera, I could film the ending of the video I made at Bordsley. The sound was off and the footage I got of trains, well, wasn't very much of it. Also, there's been an interesting news story recently. There was an incident at the rail bridge near Bordsley, so I could obviously tell my subscribers that and try to make them as safe as possible. Although this time I must get the permission to film there.